Welcome to a comparison of our two flagship products, the Seed24 Security Kit MAX and the standard Seed24 Security Kit. Both kits contain same core components, but they differ significantly in organization. Inside the larger MAX kit, you will find an ergonomic binder with separate compartments for every letter, arranged alphabetically. In contrast, the standard, more economic security kit packs its components into several smaller boxes, with the letter tiles mixed together in a single bag. Let's look at the hardware. Here is the capsule, located at the top of the MAX kit and inside the large box of the standard kit. Next is the core element, where you will slide your letter tiles. You will also find the separators, housed in a dedicated box in the MAX version and at the bottom of the standard kit. Both kits include the Z-shaped cotter pin, as well as a set of 3 tamper-evident security seals to lock your capsule. Whichever you choose, you have a complete system to secure your 24-word mnemonic phrase.